Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have this beautiful package to show you today. This is from the company Bollgard. This is a purse in here, but I wanted you to see how they package it so lovely. This came in an outer package, and it is a beautiful box, great for a presentation of a gift. And there is their logo, Bollgard. And what this is, it's guarding your safety and style. Bollgard has the anti-theft RFID blocking in their products. They mostly make wallets and things for men, and they just recently started making things for women. So let's open this up. This is just so beautifully presented. Look at how this opens. And there is the wallet slash purse crossbody. This comes in many colors. It comes in your traditional, your black, white, brown, beigey kind of colors like that. I got this greenish. They called it green, but to me it's more, well, no, they called it Celestial Blue Moon Chai. That's what they called it. Celestial Blue Moon Chai. And of course it's packaged very nicely to protect everything. It has gold hardware. Let me show you all the details. It smells like wonderful leather. This is the back and this is the front, or you could wear it either way. This is for your cell phone, and I have a large cell phone and it fits in here. And then it has this nice snap closure, metallic snap closure, and then it has this wonderful zipper that goes all the way around, as you can see that. So it keeps everything protected, and it has the RFID protection. Inside, it's this big, nice wallet, lots and lots of space. As you can see, there's places for your credit cards, and then behind here would be for your dollars, credit cards, and then there's just room for something that can go in here. There is a zippered pocket here. Oops, try to open that on camera. The lining is very pretty in here. There you can put your coins in there, and zips like that. Then on this side you could put things. Here's a place for your ID, and easy to get it out with that little place there. Your finger can pull up your ID. And then on this side you have more places for credit cards and more places for bills or other, photographs, whatever you'd like to keep, your checkbook, that type of thing. And it holds quite a bit. It's nice and thick. And then it has this crossbody strap. And this crossbody strap is unique in that it has wire in it. So if you have this over you and someone comes from behind you and tries to cut the strap off of you, it won't, because there's this strip in here, this metal strip. This is a reinforced strap with a 1.2 mm steel wire, ensuring cut-proof security. So you can carry this as a wallet, just like this, if you want to, or you could hook this on. And the hardware is very beautiful. It's a polished gold, and it's very easy to use. It hooks on like that, and it is adjustable. And see that more of that brushed gold hardware. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. And you see this goes like that, and then you put it on that loop. And then you have it there. And this is 7.5 inches by 4.25 inches, and then 1.5 inches thick, and it weighs 1.1 I don't see the measurements for the strap, but I would say that it's 4 to 5 feet long, and it does have extra to it, so it will fit tall and short people. And the purse blocks the RFID signals, preventing unauthorized scans of cards, and the reinforced strap, which is fabulous, ensuring the cut-proof security. And then this clasp, it says it's made to lock the main zipper, fortifying your wallet's anti-theft security. So I was looking at that, and here I have the wallet closed, and then with this, see, that's like a lobster claw, and you have it hooked on here so it'll go over your body. And then you see that zipper, the way that it's made, this will clip on here as well, so you'll keep it locked. If you need that much protection, it will lock it. So there, like that. So you can lock the wallet. So it's super secure. This wallet also holds a passport. So fantastic for traveling. Fantastic for traveling. Let me tell you more about the wallet itself. And the company, it's Bullguard, Bull, B-U-L-L-G-U-A-R-D, crossbody leather wallet, phone, purse, anti-theft, and RFID blocking. And all of the wallets that they make for men are also the RFID blocking. And they, like I said, they just started making bags for women. It says it's a 3.2 by 6.1 phone. That's how big the pocket space is. And I think that'll fit most phones. And it is space for 12 card slots, 3 flexible pockets, 2 dedicated spaces for bills, a zippered coin pocket, an ID slot, and includes a dedicated phone pocket. And I just told you the size for that. Tailored to most standard size smartphones. And it just is, it says, at Bullguard, our mission is to design a leather women's wallet bag that is time tested for quality and durability. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we hope you love this crossbody leather wallet phone purse. Here is their logo. They sent me a sticker, and I'm supposed to show this on Instagram. That's what they sent it for me to take a picture of it and show it on Instagram, which I will do, but I just thought it was so wonderful and so nice that I thought I would show it on YouTube as well. You know, lots of things coming up, graduation, Mother's Day, you know, all things like that. Of course, all year long, we need gifts for different things, and this packaging, it's just packaged so well. It makes a wonderful presentation. There are 10 colors to choose from. I just thought, well, you know, I got to pick the color, so I thought I'm going to go with, I have a lot of black bags, and that's probably my favorite, but I thought, let me get something a little bit different, and I just thought this was so beautiful, this color. So, and to have that RFID protection is wonderful, and I'll show it to you on the full length as well. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Here is the Bullguard purse crossbody bag. And this color is called Celestial Blue Moon Chai. It's just beautiful, y'all. Look at that nice strap. You can adjust that any way you'd like to. And there it is. Now you could wear it like this to the side, or you could have it closer in front of you if you would prefer. Now I turned it with the pocket for the phone on the inside, but you don't have to do that. If you want your phone on the outside, you could do it this way. If I were to put the phone pocket on the outside, I would probably put this strap. I would just change it and put this on the back, the adjustment. But you see, this fits me just well the way it came. If you're shorter or taller, or if some people like to wear it really long, you can adjust this. And like I said, I think this would probably be 4 to 5 feet long. So that is the gorgeous bag from Bullguard. Thank you so much, Bullguard, for sending this to me. It's just beautiful.